Hey, we're opening Molly's cards. Let's start unbreaking. So we have 5 packs in here. Pretty exciting. So let's open our first pack. So we got Jaylen Brown, DeMarcus Cousins, LaMarcus Aldridge, Ben Simmons, a lottery ticket Trae Young, Nikola Jokic, Evan Fournier, Brandon Ingram. Okay. So next we got D'Angelo Russell, Ricky Rubio, Steph Curry, Zach LaVine. We got a Kemba Walker, shiny, Kawhi Leonard, Devin Booker, Kristaps Porzingis. Okay, let's move on to the third pack. Okay, third pack. We got Jeremy Lin, Mike Conley, Kyle Korver, Jimmy Butler, Kevin Durant, Dylan Brooks, Bogdanovich, Andrew Wiggins, and let's move on to our fourth pack. Okay. We got Jimmy Butler. Ooh. Marcin Gortat, Reggie Jackson. Ooh. We got a jersey of
Mikal Bridges and Deandre Ayton.
And Deandre Ayton. So this is my card I got. Hope you guys like it. It's pretty good. I think it's nice. I like it. Deandre Ayton's a good one to get.
That's a good card.
So we got a shiny Kevin Garnett Timberwolves card. And we got a Danny Green, Paul Gasol, Embiid. Okay, let's move on to our last pack. Here's our last pack. I'm so excited to see what we got in the last pack. I think I got a good pack. Okay, we got Tony Parker, Derrick Rose, Chris Paul, Marcin Gortat, red, Magic Johnson, and we got Jarrett Allen, Donovan Mitchell, and Klay Thompson. So I hope you like my cards. I think I got good cards.
Yeah, I got good cards.
This
too.
is definitely my best card. The Mikal Bridges.
This is definitely my best
And
card.
Deandre Ayton. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch our next video and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be part of our MT family. Bye.
Bye.
Hope you liked our video.